Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Biofactory for NEET Principles of Inheritance and Variations with History of Genetics related to Mendelism. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notifications. Like, follow and share my videos to your students and friends to get more information in biology related to NEET and other national state level competitive exams. In this video, I am going to explain the history of genetics related to Mendelism. Gregor Johann Mendel, born in July 22 in 1822 year, and he died in January 6th in 1884. Gregor Johann Mendel, he was a monk and teacher with interest in astronomy and plant breeding. He discovered the basic principles of heredity through experiments in his garden. Gregor Mendel, through his works on pea plant, discovered the fundamental laws of inheritance. Mendel's observations become the foundation of modern genetics and the study of heredity, and he is widely considered as a pioneer in the field of genetics. Mendel is known as father of genetics because he was the first scientist to demonstrate the mechanism of transmission of characters from one generation to other generation. Mendel tracked the segregation of parental genes and their appearance in offsprings as a dominant or recessive traits. In 1856, Mendel began a series of experiments to find out how traits are passed from one generation to next generation. Mendel carried out hybridization experiments on garden pea plant. The scientific name of a pea plant is Pisum sativum. It belongs to Fabaceae family, and with help of pea plant he conducted several hybridization experiments for 7 years in between 1856 to 1863. Mendel performed various types of cross breeding and then allowed the offspring to self breed. He deduced that genes come in pairs and are inherited as a units, one from each parent. He formulated generalization which were read out at two meetings of Natural History Society of Brunn in 1865. His paper, Experiments in Plant Hybridization, was published in Annual Proceedings of Brunn Natural Science Society in 1866. Mendel's works and his laws of inheritance were not appreciated in his time, his result almost unknown until 1900 year. Mendel died in 1884 due to kidney inflammation without getting any recognition for his work. Mendel selected pea plant for his hybridization experiments because of various advantages in pea plant. Mendel studied inheritance in pea, Pisum sativum. It belongs to Fabaceae family. He chose pea plant because they had been used for similar studies, are easy to grow and can be sown each year. Pea flowers containing and female, both male and female reproductive pods like stamens and stigma and usually self-pollinate. Self-pollination happens before the flower open, So progeny are produced from single parent. Pea can also be cross-pollinated by hand simply by opening the flower bud to remove their pollen producing stamen and dusted pollen from one plant to stigma of another plant. Just by removing stamens from bisexual flower, then pollen grains are collected from interesting plant, then these are dusted on stigma. It is artificial cross pollination. Mendel followed the inheritance of 7 traits in pea plant, and each trait had 2 forms. The first character is seed shape. In seed shape, round denoted with capital R, it is a dominant trait. Wrinkled is a recessive trait denoted with small r. This character gene it is located on chromosome 7. Second character is seed color. Yellow color seeds is a dominant trait denoted with capital Y. Recessive traits are green in color denoted with small y. These genes are located on chromosome 1. Third character is flower color. Purple or violet is a dominant trait denoted with capital P. White color flowers are recessive trait denoted with small p. This character it is located on chromosome 1. Fourth character pod shape. The inflated or full is a dominant trait. It is denoted with capital I. Constricted is a recessive trait denoted with small I. This character gene located on chromosome 4. Fifth character pod color. The green color pod is a dominant trait denoted with capital G. Yellow color pod is the recessive trait denoted with small g. These genes are located on chromosome 5. Sixth character flower position. Axillary position is the dominant trait denoted with capital A. Terminal position flower is a recessive trait denoted with small a. This character present on chromosome 4. Seventh character stem height. Tall or long is a dominant trait denoted with capital T. Dwarf or short is a recessive trait denoted with small t. These genes are located on chromosome 4. These are the 7 pairs of contrasting characters selected by the Mendel for his hybridization experiments. The detailed investigation by S. Blixt on pea plant led to locate Mendel's 7 characters on 4 different chromosomes like chromosome 1, chromosome 4, chromosome 5 and chromosome 7. So totally 7 pairs of contrasting characters. These genes are located on just 4 chromosomes. Mendel works remain unnoticed and unappreciated for several years due to following reasons. Mendel's works was not accepted by most of the scientists when he was alive. Mendel works explained that knowledge of genetic inheritance before DNA had even been discovered. When he presented his works to other scientists, he did not communicate it well, so they did not really understand it. His works was ignored because it was not widely distributed and he didn't make an effort to promote himself. He demonstrating the action of invisible factor, now it is called gene, is predictably determining the trait of an organism and he could not provided any physical proof for factor. His concepts of stable, unblending discrete units or factors for various traits did not find any acceptance from competitors. His approach of using mathematical and statistical analysis to explain biological phenomena was totally new and unacceptable to many of the biologists at this time. The Mendel works remain hidden about 34 years and his work did not receive any recognition. It described till 1900 year. In 1900 year, the three botanists Hugo de Vries, Karl Correns, and Erich von Steiermark independently rediscovered Mendel's works in the same year, a generation after Mendel published his paper. They helped expand awareness of the Mendelian laws of inheritance in scientific world. Hugo de Vries belongs to Holland or Netherlands and worked on evening primrose. It is Enothera. Karl Correns belongs to Germany and he worked on maize plant. It is Gia maize. Schermark belonged to Austria and worked on different flowering plants. By conducting several experiments, the three scientists independently they rediscovered and they got the same result which is published by Mendel. These three workers also reached the same conclusion and they republished the original work of Mendel in Flora in 1901. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notifications. Like, share my videos to your students and friends.